Another big adventure. I was going to say love big bike adventure, but he's no here today. So where are we heading, Andy?
Pretty much straight.
Where are we and where are we going?
We are
Galloway Forest, is it?
This is the Galloway region. The whole
Galloway
lot.
region.
It's 600 miles of off-road.
600 miles of off-road fire tracks.
Yeah.
Hope you realise you're being blogged here.
We've been what?
Blogged. So, we've got the boys out.
A secret bit.
Aye,
Nobody knows about this bit.
nobody knows about this. So, plenty of T7s, 1, 2, 3 T7s, 990, and Maury with his F800 doing well. And I'm on the Katoma brick. And we'll just do a wee bit of video to see how we got on. So how are you getting on, Mr. Lafferty? Is there anything you'd like to say to any of your followers? Fuck yous. Oh, Stevie, come on, this is a live vlog we're on. So we'll get along this road. The rain's coming on now. But it's cranking fire track. On you go, Maury. Hey, let's see how we got on. The guys are away now. Lights are up, cannot see a thing here. Oh, it's definitely getting wetter, guys. Billy on his 990 in front of me. Lovely, lovely route up here. The visibility is quite poor getting because we must be climbing high. Did the boys get the turn then? Did the boys see that turn?
I don't know.
Oh! Always keep your eye on your mirror. He might have missed that turn. He might have missed the turn. Did you think I would leave yous?
No, but I was just saying we should do the drop off even at this.
Aye, no, well, I think young Billy's no been out off-roading before. Because I checked my mirrors all the way along,
Aye.
but I could only see him. And it wasn't returned. I looked through and I see where the fuck's the boys.
Aye, well I stopped at the front, I was going to put a new camera battery in the store.
Ah. Got them. Somebody shut up. Who's missing?
Went down in there, aye.
Are you alright, Dave?
Yeah, I'm alright, I'm just fucking annoyed myself.
Oh, it's easy done.
Yeah. Keep an eye on it. Weld it later on.
It's good that airbox is right up there.
Quality build, mate. Not what the fucking leather.
He's a fucking fud.
Who's that?
Oh, Davey, the last time I was out with him, it was a kettle.
A kettle?
Fell off his fucking bike.
Oh,
Fell that one, yeah, hang on.
you got it?
I can't fucking bend. It just shows you. There you go. Davey. Davey. Fucking GoPro! Go and tell him what's happened. Oh, his batteries are scattered out of the path. I picked all them up and all.
Just stick them
Aye,
in the bottom
aye.
section.
With the bottom in.
Aye, just stick them in the bottom, yeah.
I'll put. Oh. Hang on. I'll need to carry the GoPro. It's not good in. Hang on. But they're at the park, they'll stop waiting on us anyway. Right, just take it easy then, don't want that fucking harpooning you.
Aye.
Yeah.
Did you not see that?
No, I've seen the gloves though.
Oh, I never seen the gloves, you got them?
I've got the two gloves.
Right, I get the GoPro or the batteries.
Oh, aye, we just stopped for no reason. Fine new.
Plonker.
He started snaking and went down, I went over the top of him.
You're joking?
No.
No, that's no why you're a plonker. Your fucking GoPro and everything, all your tools.
Where were they?
Oh God, down the path, that's what we stopped for, hang on. So we've got a wee problem here. Billy's bike's went down, I never seen it, we were stopped along the path there. Davey had offloaded all his tools, his GoPros and all his socket sets out of the path. Otherwise we would have been involved with it as well. You'd get a lot of us at the top of you. Did your bike get down or not, Dave?
I went over the top of it.
Oh shit, you've been down on the right here again.
Oh, I know,
I can see it down on the right again. Oh fuck.
No, I mean, he was lying across the road.
There's a
couldn't miss
washer.
it.
There's a washer. Oh fuck.
Aye, that's a
Wow, that's a proper bang you've had. So did you high side air it?
No, I just scared it and went down. I didn't care what was happening. I think we just slide to this though.
Ah, you can see that. So was it back here you went down?
I just was there.
Ah, I see it there, I see you here.
Oh, Christ, oh, is that my trailer or is that? It's starting to sneak me. Yeah,
I come up here and there was stuff lying down. Pair of gloves. I'm walking up and down here looking for a pair of gloves. I never even
one of the
thought.
gloves was down there, the other ones were halfway up.
I couldn't have shut that down when we stopped.
So Billy's had a big off here. Davey went over the top of him and we missed it all. I should have caught that. But now we're concerned the ignition's all smashed here.
Yeah, at least we've still got a floor, that's good.